Now, this is actually a week later for my eggplant harvest. Now, I could see some of them have reached a harvesting size. Growing eggplant in South Africa is actually one of the hardest things to do. And my recent discovery is actually finding out that in my community, either people don't know how to plant it, how to grow it, or how to cook it. So in this video, I'm taking you through a review on my garden and teaching you how to grow it, how to harvest it, and some few aspects. Stay tuned, like and subscribe on the Boys YouTube channel. Let's get started. Yes, sir. So, these are my two eggplant trees. Now, right here is number one, and right here is number two. So, these eggplant trees, I actually found them from my friend. They were tiny seedlings, very, very tiny. So, I think they were 6 or 4. So, last week when I came into the backyard garden, I found that they were flowering. Now, as you can see right here, we have tiny flowers. So I saw that these flowers, some of them were drying off. So I didn't actually know what the problem was. So I decided that I'm gonna pour a fish fertilizer. So I did so. After I did so, I went back into the house and started being busy with the website. Now I'm going to show you the website really soon. So this week I came back. So normally I water around 6 p.m. at night. So I came back and started checking on the garden this week. Mind you, today is Monday. And last week I checked on them when it was Saturday. So I came back and saw that we started having eggplants. And as you can see, so we lost some of the flowers. Now I'm going to show you the flowers that we lost. This is one flower that we lost right here. And this one survived and started producing an eggplant. And we still have more flowers to go. So the production phase is amazing, guys. I don't wanna lie, because this is actually my first time growing eggplants, and this is the success story so far. As you can see that one plant can actually produce approximately to, let me see, maybe 6 eggplants. Yeah, I think so. So the eggplant production is amazing. I haven't actually tasted an eggplant before in my life. I don't want to lie to you guys, but I'm looking forward to this one because I'm looking at the recipes actually of how this eggplant can be cooked. So this is it. So eggplants. So I didn't actually know that eggplants were amazing to grow. With only 2 plants, you can grow as much as you can. So the idea that I had for protecting my eggplants from insects was marigold. Now as you can see right here, I've planted a marigold and another one here. So this side of my garden, I'm actually producing my vegetables surrounded by marigold. Now last year I didn't actually have marigolds until another brother gave them to me, and then I started using the marigolds. Now growing your vegetables with marigolds is amazing because you do not have to use many pesticides. So this is what I liked about this journey, because right now I'm not going to be doing these videos of pest controls and whatnot, because we have marigold now. And what we do with marigold is amazing. Let me see if I can find seeds. Okay, these are seeds. Now as you can see here, I just snip it off since well it's already dried off. And I just scatter them in the garden. Now these are marigold seeds. So next time when I come back and till the soil, I know that these marigold seeds will be underneath the soil and they will start producing more marigolds. This is the whole idea that I have for this year, so that we can produce healthy vegetables. This is my eggplant once again. So guys, I wish you also try to grow your eggplants. Now this is the easiest method that I actually found. Here's the checklist. Plant your seedlings, let them grow, use fish fertilizers, and water regularly, and also check on your plants. Now this is actually a week later for my eggplants harvest. Now I could see some of them have reached a harvesting size. Now I don't actually know that which size is perfect for harvesting these eggplants, but for me I think this is actually the right size. So what I'm going to do right now is to reach in and harvest them. So growing eggplants for me, this is a first time experience. I haven't actually studied this before, so I hope I'm not the one trick pony. So what I'm going to do right now after harvesting is actually try to cook them with an air fryer and also add a few herbs from my garden. I don't actually know how to cook them, but I'll look into it more further and probably give you a review how it's cooked and it's going to be eaten. But in most cases I actually find out that these eggplants are good in salads, they are good fried, and also you can also not eat them raw because they have a bitter taste. And so this is how we come to an end to the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe on the boys YouTube channel, comment in the comment section, follow the boy on social media. See you in the new one.